This is your mirror. When its outside is silver, then it becomes concave mirror. This line is known as principal axis. This point is known as P for pole. This point is focus. This point is center of curvature. Now here we have different conditions. In different conditions हम ऑब्जेक्ट को पुट करेंगे और उसके बेसिस पे हमें इमेजेस मिलेगी. नाउ फर्स्ट केस इज व्हाट? व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट is placed at infinite. क्या होगा जब बच्चों ऑब्जेक्ट को हम इनफाइनाइट पे रखेंगे? इसके लिए हम देखते हैं डायग्राम. अगला डायग्राम सी. दिस इज योर कॉनकेव मिरर. दिस इज योर प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. दिस इज पोल. This is focus. This is center of curvature. When your object is at infinite, जब ऑब्जेक्ट इनफाइनाइट पे होगा तो इससे जो रे इंसिडेंट होगी that are parallel to each other. रेज जो आने वाली रेज होगी parallel to each other. Then it will incident on the mirror in this way, like this, and here also like this. Then after reflection, these passes through the focus or meet at the focus. Then our image is formed at focus. So फर्स्ट केस में ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखा हुआ है? ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इन्फिनिटी और इमेज कहाँ बन रहा है? फोकस पे. वी कैन सी क्लियरली दैट योर इमेज इज a small point size. So there are certain properties of image in this case. Here image at f means कहाँ बन रही है? फोकस पे. image is real, inverted, very small in size, very small in size, or we can say point size. So जिस तरीके से हमने ये फर्स्ट केस लिया है, इसी टाइप से हम आगे आने वाले केसेस में डिफरेंट डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. बट here I am not drawing the all different diagram. Here I am drawing the simple table. In this table all positions of object and all positions of images are given. From need point of view we have to remember this table only, not need to remember all cases. So here I am drawing the table. In this table first point is what? Position of object. Second point is position of image, and third point is magnification. What is magnification? We will discuss later. Magnification simply जो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, how object is appear after it converted in image. It will be diminished or it will be in large size, it will be in same size. So it will depends on your magnification. So it is your first column position of object, second column position of image, and third column is your magnification. Now first case, when your object is at infinity, then where your image is drawn? Your image is drawn at the focus. Which type of this? This is your highly diminished or it is point size. So it is written like as this. M is less than equal to less than -1. How minus is coming we will discuss in magnification topic. Now second point, now image is object is placed at infinity and C, means between the infinity and center of curvature. Then infinity and center of curvature means between these two. Then where your image is formed at between C and F, means between focus and center of curvature. What type of? It is not highly diminished, but it is also diminished. Third case. In third case, position of object is taken as C. C means center of curvature. When we place the object at center of curvature, then your image is formed also at center of curvature. In this type, your magnification will be equal to minus of 1. Now fourth case, your object is placed between center of curvature and your focus. Then your image is drawn between infinity and center of curvature. At this time, your magnification will be greater than 1. It is the important thing. Fifth point, when we place the object at focus, then your image will be formed at infinity. जब फोकस पे रखेंगे तो इमेज कहाँ बनेगी? इन्फिनिटी पे. जब इन्फिनिटी पे रखेंगे तो इमेज कहाँ बनेगी? फोकस पे. Now this time your m is greater minus 1. Now 6 point, focus and pole. Your object is placed between focus and pole. Then this is the important case. In this case, your image is drawn, or position of the image is behind the mirror. Where it is? It is behind the mirror. और कैसी बनती है इमेज? इसमें वर्चुअल बनती है. All these images are your real. In last case, your image is your virtual. Okay, so in this case your m is greater than 1. It is large in size, but it is virtual, and all 5 images are your real. Now your next topic, image formation by convex mirror. So first of all, we draw a convex mirror. This is your convex mirror. In your convex mirror, inner surface is silver. अंदर वाली सरफेस को क्या कर देते हैं? सिल्वर कर देते हैं. Then it becomes your convex mirror. All things are same as that of the concave mirror. This center point is pole. This is your focus. This is your center of curvature. Now 2 points we have to remember here. In this case, when object is placed at infinity, then your image is formed. What type of image is formed? Your image is at f, focus पे बनेगी. It will be virtual, it will be erect, very small in size, So it is clear in our mind that your images formed by the convex mirror is always virtual, and in concave mirror all 5 points are in image is real, and in last point only image is virtual. Now second point is what? When object is placed anywhere. An object is placed anywhere in the principal axis. On the principal axis. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे कहीं पे भी हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को रख दिया तो आपका इमेज कैसे ड्रॉ होगा? योर इमेज इज बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस. वर्चुअल होगा, इरेक्ट होगा, एंड फाइनली इट इज स्मॉल इन साइज. So these are two types of mirror, means in spherical mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror we have discussed, and image formation we have discussed in this session.